This is a territory map made in Gimp, and this is an oversimplified map also made in Gimp. I'm going to show you how to make them. There are also a ton of other tutorials coming up, all made using free software, so hit the bell to get notified. Right, if you haven't already downloaded Gimp, there's a link below. Once you've done that, open it up and you'll see a screen like this. Go to the top left and click File, New. A pop-up will appear to set the size of your image. For a standard YouTube video, that will be 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next, import whatever map you want to draw your countries on. I'm using a satellite image from the Wikimedia Commons. If it's not quite big enough, here's a trick that I use. Change the background color to one that matches the edges and brush over them with a low hardness eraser to blend it in. Now we can draw our country. Create a new layer. Then head over to the left hand side and select the path tool. Start by tracing over the area that you want your country to cover. Curve the path edges by holding down left click and dragging. Made a mistake? Edit it by selecting the point, hold Ctrl and move the arms to adjust the curve. Select the last point in the path to continue it. By the way, I'm using Ctrl and the mouse wheel to zoom in and then clicking just the mouse wheel to pan across the screen. If you click off the path completely, just look at the right hand side, find the Paths tab and double click your path again. So that's the basics. Once you've traced your whole territory, close the shape by hovering over the first point and press Ctrl. Left click when two overlapped circles appear. Want to add more points later? Just go back to the path menu, press edit and left click for extra points. Select the design button to move them around. With the path complete, click on the paintbrush icon from the left panel and choose your territory and border colors. With your territory color selected, mine is red here, right click the path in the Paths tab and choose Fill Path. Great, now we have a rough country outline. To clean it up, reduce the hardness and force of the brush. Right click on the path again and choose Stroke Path to soften the edges. Or you can make it into an oversimplified map and click on the border color, lower the brush size, right click the path again and Stroke Path. This will give a nice clean border. Something really cool is the blending modes over on the right. Try HSL color or burn to make it look like a highlighted effect, and play around with the layer opacity to let the map show through. Inevitably, you'll have to adjust the areas your path didn't cover or went too far, but once you're happy with the map, you can export it as a PNG by going to File, Export. If you're looking to animate between this and a new area that your nation has conquered, you'll need a second image. Change your layer by extending or shrinking your path, erasing parts where necessary, and then exporting this other version as a second stage. Now you're ready to animate between them.